Today, we're reviewing the muscles of the medial thigh. All right, let's get started. The adductor brevis muscle. As we can see, its origin is from the inferior ramus of the pubis, and it inserts onto the linea aspera of the femur. Its main action is hip adduction. And let's not forget, it's innervated, that's right, by the obturator nerve. Moving on to the adductor longus muscle, check out its origin near the pubic crest and its insertion onto the linea aspera. Just like the adductor brevis, it's all about hip adduction and some hip flexion. And yep, you've guessed it, the obturator nerve is its innervation. As we've discussed, both muscles insert onto the linea aspera of the femur. This common insertion site allows them to work together efficiently in hip adduction and flexion. The coordinated effort of the adductor brevis and the adductor longus muscles at the linea aspera showcases the beauty of muscular synergy in the medial thigh. Now, let's shift our focus to the adductor magnus muscle. Here, we can see its extensive origin from the inferior ramus of the pubis to the ischial tuberosity. Here, we can see the insertion of the adductor magnus muscle at the linea aspera and also on the adductor tubercle of the femur. The adductor magnus contributes to hip adduction and flexion. And of course, it's innervated by the reliable obturator nerve. Lastly, let's examine the gracilis muscle. Notice its origin from the inferior pubic ramus and its insertion onto the medial anterior tibia. It's essential for hip adduction, flexion, and medial rotation. And you guessed it, the obturator nerve is its innervation. And there you have it, a glimpse into the formidable adductor muscles of the hip, each playing a unique role in movement and stability. Are you ready to flex your anatomical muscles? Let's dive in. Question number 1. Which muscle originates from the inferior ramus of the pubis and inserts onto the linea aspera of the femur, primarily responsible for hip adduction? Is it A, adductor brevis, B, adductor longus, or C? That's right, the adductor brevis. If you recall, the adductor brevis, you see it there, originates from the inferior ramus of the pubis, and it inserts on the linea aspera of the femur. Which muscle has an extensive origin spanning from the inferior ramus of the pubis to the ischial tuberosity and contributes to hip adduction and flexion? Is it adductor brevis, adductor magnus, gracilis, or none of the above? That's right. The correct answer, adductor magnus. Here, we can see the muscle has an extensive origin spanning from the inferior ramus of the pubis to the ischial tuberosity. Which muscle originates from the inferior pubic ramus and inserts onto the medial anterior tibia? It plays a crucial role in hip adduction, flexion, and medial rotation. Is it adductor brevis, adductor longus, gracilis, or none of the above? Time's up. That's correct. Gracilis. The gracilis originates from the inferior pubic ramus and inserts onto the medial anterior tibia, playing a crucial role in hip adduction, flexion, and medial rotation. And there you have it, a quiz to test your knowledge of the muscles of the medial thigh. How did you do? Keep studying, and soon you'll have these muscles down pat.